Good news mga kababayan, Japan magde-deploy ng mid-range missile sa Pilipinas. Japanese warship tumutulong sa Philippine Navy magbantay sa West Philippine Sea. Habang ang Philippine Coast Guard hinarang ang mga barko ng China para hindi makapasok sa Zambales. Tara, pag-usapan natin ang mga yan. Galit na galit ang China sa agresibong taktika ng Japan. Posible kasing hindi lang warship ang istasyon ng Japan sa Pilipinas, kundi ang kanila ring air defense missile system na Type O3 medium surface-to-air missile. Isa tong defensive missile na parang Iron Dome ng Israel. Kaya ng Japan air defense missile na protektahan ang Pilipinas o ang Taiwan sa bantang pag-atake, mapa-missile pa yan, drone attack o kahit ballistic missile threat. Sabayan mo pa yan ng patuloy na presensya ng Japanese Navy destroyer sa West Philippine Sea, na sabay lumayag kasama ang BRP Antonio Luna ng Philippine Navy. May further discussion na nga sa nangyayaring missile deployment at nakakatiyak akong magagalit lalo ang China pag tuluyan na yang nakatuntong sa lupain ng Pilipinas. Patuloy namang nakasuporta ang Japanese destroyer at Philippine Navy frigate sa Philippine Coast Guard. Hinaharang kasi ng BRP Cabra at BRP Teresa Magbanwa ang tatlong Chinese Coast Guard na nagtatangkang pumasok sa Capones, Zambales. Kung gagawa man ng pag-atake ang China, handa ang Philippine Navy mag-retaliate o mag-counter-attack. Pero dapat sa mga Chinese Coast Guard na to sampulan, pasabugin. Pero gaya nga ng utos ni Pangulong Marcos, maximum tolerance. Palayasin nyo lang kung illegal silang mangingimasok sa teritoryo ng ating bansa. Ang BRP Teresa Magbanwa walang kahirap-hirap na itaboy ang Chinese Coast Guard. Ang China na mismo ang dumidistansya at lumalayo ng kusa.
This is Philippine Coast Guard vessel BRP Teresa Magbanwa, MRRV 9701. We are conducting maritime law enforcement operations. You are advised that you are currently sailing within the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone, approximately 103 nautical miles west of Capones Point, Zambales, Philippines, in accordance with the Republic Act 12064, the Philippine Maritime Zones Act, the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, of which you are a party, and the 2016 Arbitral Award. You do not possess any legal authority to patrol within the Philippines Exclusive Economic Zone. You are directed to depart immediately and notify us of your intentions. Over.
Samantalang ang BRP Cabra, tila pahirapan dahil nang pipikol lang ang mga Chinese. Oo, umaatras ang China ng paunti-unti. Pero parang binabaliwala lang ng China ang BRP Cabra dahil siguro maliit lang tong barkong ito.
This is Philippine Coast Guard vessel, BRP Cabra, MRRV 4409. You are advised that you are currently sailing within the Philippines Exclusive Economic Zone, approximately 88 nautical miles from Palawi Point, Zambales, Philippines. In accordance with Republic Act 12064, the Philippine Maritime Zones Act, the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, of which you are a party, and the 2016 Arbitral Award, you do not possess any legal authority to patrol within the Philippines Exclusive Economic Zone. You are directed to cease and desist from conducting illegal maritime patrols within the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone. Your illegal activities will be reported to higher authorities. Over.
Kayo, tingin nyo tama ang ginagawa ng PCG palayasin lang o dapat gumawa na sila ng totoong aksyon? Ano sa palagay nyo? I-komento sa baba ang inyong saloobin.